you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet! Ah! I'm so hungry. Ah! Ow! Shit! You okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
Just a little bit.
It can't be.
You feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
She's lost in coma where it's beautiful, intoxicated from the deep sleep, deep sleep. Do you wonder what it's like living in a permanent imagination, sleeping to escape reality, but you like it like that. Guilty by design, she's nothing more than fiction. She dreams in digital, 'cause it's better than nothing. Now that control is gone, it seems unreal. She's dreaming in digital. She dreams in digital. Your pixel army can't save you now. My fingers on the kill switch. I remember I used to compose your dreams, control your dreams. And don't be afraid, expose yourself before I shut you down. You made some changes since the virus got you sleeping. Guilty by design, she's nothing more than fiction. She dreams in digital, 'cause it's better than nothing. Now that control is gone, it seems unreal. She's dreaming in digital. 'Cause it's better than nothing. Now that control is gone, it seems unreal. She's dreaming in digital. She dreams in digital. She dreams in digital.